Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix games not appearing in the library for the Xbox app for Windows. Okay, there are a couple of different methods, so try not to skip any steps. And if this video helps you, please subscribe, it really helps my channel. Okay, let's get right into it. The first thing you want to do is sign out and sign back into the Xbox app. How do you do that? Open the Xbox app. On the top left corner, you're going to see your profile icon. Click that. Then you're going to see something called sign out. Then restart the app and then sign back in and see if that works. This is simple, but this actually helps a lot of different people. Okay, the next thing I would recommend is reinstall the gaming services via PowerShell. So how do you do that? Into search, type in PowerShell, right click on this, click on run as administrator. Now I'm gonna put this into the video description below, but here you're going to copy and paste this command into here, press enter, close PowerShell, open a new PowerShell as administrator, and then copy and paste this. And what this will do, this will open a new window like this, called Gaming Services. Install it from here, restart your PC and check the Xbox library to see if that fixes the issue. The next thing you want to do is reset your store cache. So how do you do that? Type in run into search right here. This run dialog will come up. From here you want to type in ws reset.exe and press enter. That will create a blank command prompt and that will close. And again, this deletes the cache, so that does help. And also after you have done that, type in Xbox into search, right click on this, click on app settings. And then from here, scroll down until you see reset. And then here, click on the reset and see if that fixes the issue. The next thing you can try is to uninstall the Xbox app and then reinstall it. And I would recommend reinstalling it from the Microsoft Store and not from anything else because, well, that is the newest version of the Xbox app. So uninstall it and reinstall it from here. Now, if the game is already installed and it's not working, you can try to verify the integrity of game files. That seems to help. So you right click on the game that you want, you go to manage, you go to files, and you click on verify and repair and see if that fixes it. And last but not least, I would recommend updating Windows. So type in settings on the bottom left, go to Windows Update. And from here, you want to click on check for updates and download and install any updates because the Xbox app is related to, well, owned by Microsoft. All of the updates for Windows are updates for the Xbox as well. So keep that in mind and update Windows and see if that fixes the issue. Okay, that is it. If this video helped you, please leave a like and please subscribe. I really appreciate it. Have a nice day.